Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply any kind of Bezier curve animation using CSS. First I'll show you the output. This is not using Bezier curve, this is using the default animation which CSS provides. So if I just refresh my website, here you can see I'm able to move this image from left to right. I'll quickly show you the code. Firstly, I'm using Vite. You don't have to use Vite. In case if you don't know Vite, that's fine as well. Just create an index.html and CSS file and just place your image inside your folder structure. Here you can see inside my public folder I have pasted my image, and inside my HTML all I have done is that I have just referenced our CSS file. And here ignore this script. We don't need this script. We don't need this div as well. I have just created this image referencing our image and given it some class name. Now if you see the style.css, this is the class name. I have given it some animation name, I have given it duration, I have given it the fill mode, and this is the timing function of ease. And here you can see I have given it the keyframes move 100%, transform, translate text 700%. So this is pretty simple. If I just refresh, here you can see this is the animation. Now how I want to apply Bezier, cubic Bezier animation, right? Now I'm not really good at this, but what you can do is you can just go to this particular website, and here with the help of this you can just move how you want the animation to look like. Okay, so I want something like this. Okay, you do whatever you feel like, and here you can see at the top it gives you the code, so you can just copy it, and I can just comment this out. I can uncomment this, and here I will just replace it with whatever I have copied. So this, now if I just go to my app, if I just refresh, here you can see this is the animation which we get. Yeah, I know it doesn't start from the very start, but yeah, it does, but it's just how our animation is. So this is one of the useful website from which you can apply cubic Bezier animation to anything using just CSS. There is another website called easings.net, and here they have bunch of things. So go to all easings. Okay, so here you can see they have bunch of things which are available. So I can just use something like easy in circle. So here you can see if you want something like this, you can just copy this transition. I don't want the entire thing, sorry, I just only want this cubic Bezier, right? So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. And if I just go back, if I refresh, here you can see now our output starts slowly and goes at the very end, it goes quickly. So yeah, that's how you can apply any kind of cubic Bezier animations. Thank you for watching. Bye.